In the wild, nature has created some of the most dangerous predators ever known. Today, we are exploring a terrifying question. What would happen if a Bengal tiger fought a giant python snake? Let's break this down using science, behavior, and real wildlife facts. First, let's understand the tiger. The Bengal tiger is one of the strongest land predators on Earth. An adult tiger can weigh over 250 kilograms and measure more than 3 meters in length. It has powerful jaws, razor-sharp teeth, and muscular limbs built for explosive attacks. Tigers are ambush hunters. They rely on speed, strength, and surprise to take down prey much larger than themselves, including deer, buffalo, and even crocodiles. Now let's look at the python. Python snakes, especially reticulated and Burmese pythons, are among the largest snakes in the world. Some can grow over 7 meters long and weigh more than 90 kilograms. Pythons are not venomous, instead they kill using constriction. Once a python coils around its prey, it tightens its grip until the prey can no longer breathe. Now the big question, who is stronger? In raw muscle power, the tiger has the advantage. Its bite force, claw strength, and agility are far superior. However, in gripping strength, the python is extremely dangerous. A large python can generate enough pressure to stop blood flow in seconds. But strength alone does not decide the winner. Let's talk about speed. Tigers are fast. They can sprint at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour for short distances. Pythons are slow on land and rely heavily on surprise. If a tiger detects the snake early, the python has almost no chance. Now let's compare intelligence and awareness. Tigers are highly intelligent mammals with sharp senses. They can see, hear, and react far better than snakes. Pythons rely mostly on heat sensing and vibration detection. In open jungle terrain, the tiger clearly has the advantage. What about size? A giant python may be longer than a tiger, but the tiger is heavier, taller, and far more powerful overall. Now let's imagine a real encounter. If a python ambushes a tiger successfully and coils perfectly around the neck or chest, the tiger could be in serious danger. But this scenario is extremely rare. Most of the time, the tiger would detect the snake and attack first, using its claws and jaws to kill the python quickly. So who would win? In most realistic situations, the tiger wins. The tiger's speed, intelligence, claws, and killing power make it the dominant predator. The python is deadly, but only in very specific ambush situations. Nature does not choose winners randomly. It rewards awareness, speed, and adaptability. And in this battle, the tiger stands at the top. If you enjoy real wildlife comparisons like this, make sure to stay tuned. Subscribe for more fascinating animal battles and jungle facts.